My name is Saleha Patel. I am from Dayanand College of Commerce, Latur, studying in BCA second year. Today, I will be presenting a book review on one of the most inspiring self-improvement books, Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book teaches us how small, consistent action can create a big, lasting changes in our lives. James Clear is an American writer and speaker. He focuses on habits, decision making, and self improvement. His work has inspired millions around the world to make small daily changes for long term success. The Atomic Habits was published in 2018 and became a global bestseller, one of the most influential self-help books ever written. The main idea of atomic habits is simple. Tiny changes make big difference. James Clear explained that success doesn't come from sudden transformation but from 1% improvement every single day. He says habits are the compound interest of self-improvement. Just like money grows with interest, your habits grows with repetition. The book reminds us of focusing on building system, just setting goals but not just setting goals, because if your system is right, success will follow you naturally. There are four laws of behavior change given in Atomic Habits. James Clear gives four simple rules of building good habits and breaking bad ones. First, making it obvious. Second, making it attractive. And third, making it easy. And fourth is making it satisfying, rewarding yourself after completing your good habits. The key lessons of atomic habits are: one of the most powerful ideas is identity based habits. Instead of saying I want to read, say I am a reader. When your habits matches your identity, they become effortless. Another important concept in atomic habits that say you do not rise to you do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall for the level of your system. That means your goals direction, but habits create result. In my opinion, I personally found atomic habits very motivating. It's not about quick changes but about small step that truly works. It taught me that big success comes from doing small things repeatedly with focus, patience, and consistency. Atomic Habits is must-read book for anyone who wanted to improve their life and grow every day. It improves that it proves that even tiny changes can bring a powerful results. Thank you.